Chapter 5. Security in the contemporary world. Security is the major component of human life. Almost all the countries of the world have the same concern on the subject of the safety of their citizens. Security means removing the dangers prevailing in human life so that man can lead a peaceful life. Security. Security can be understood in two ways: traditional notion and non-traditional notion. First, traditional notion. Traditional notion of security includes two types of threats: external threat and internal threat. External threat includes military threat, massacre, balance of power, coalition, and armament. Internal threat includes law and order, separatist movement, and civil war. Now, non-traditional notion. Non-traditional notion of security includes human security and global security. Human security means security from hunger, epidemic, natural, and calamities. Global security includes terrorism, climate change, new, and challenger. Traditional notion of external security. The source of the threat is another country that threatens a country's core values such as sovereignty, freedom, and territorial integrity by threatening military aggression. Security policy is related to preventing the possibility of war, which is called deterrence. To keep the balance of power in their favor, countries are engaged in increasing economic and technological power along with military power. Countries form alliances to the effect of their power in comparison to any other country or alliance. Alliances are based on national interests. When national interests change, alliances also change. Traditional notion of internal security. In this notion, internal peace and law and order of the country are the main factors. The newly independent countries of Asia and Africa have been faced with the problems of internal military conflicts, separatist movements, and civil wars. Traditional methods of security. Traditional methods of security are disarmament, arms control, and confidence building. Non-traditional notion of security. The non-traditional notion of security deals with military threats as well as threats to human existence. Under the non-traditional notion of security, a wide range of threats affecting human existence are included, such as famine, epidemics, global warming, and terrorism, etc. The non-traditional notion of security has two sides: security of humanity and security of the world. Under the non-traditional notion of security, some of the major threats to the world's security are terrorism, human rights, global poverty, refugee problems, diseases such as AIDS, bird flu and SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. Cooperative security. The concept of cooperative national security emphasizes the development of strategies through international cooperation rather than military conflict to deal with non-traditional threats. Although force can be used as a last resort. In cooperative security, international organizations, United Nations UNO, World Bank etc., NGOs, Red Cross, Amnesty International etc., business organizations and famous personalities, such as Nelson Mandela, Mother Teresa etc., can be involved in cooperative security. Components of India's security policy. There are four major components of India's security policy. Strengthen military capability. Strengthen international institutions. Emphasis on economic development. Strengthen internal security. Terrorism. Terrorism refers to the systematic use of brutal violence which creates an atmosphere of fear in the society. It is mainly used for political party purposes and many other purposes. A systematic use of terror, often violent, especially as a means of coercion. Violent acts aimed at instilling fear, terror, for a definite economic, political and ideological goal and known to target and disregard the safety of civilians. Use of illegal violence and war.